This video, I will show you how to find trending keyword on YouTube. First of all, go to Google Trends and click trending searches in the left navigation bar. Select a country, then browse the first two tabs on the screen, daily search trends and real-time search trends. The daily option shows what's been trending in the last few days, and the real-time option shows search that the trending right now. Both results should give you a general idea of what's popular now. Option 2. On the Google Trends homepage, type something into the search bar. A topic related to your channel. As an example, we will use first day of school. On the uppermost tabs, choose a region, time period, category and then select YouTube for the search type. Analyze the graph to see how popular your topic is. In this example, first day of school is picking up steam as kids head back to class. What to go even deeper, scroll down and view the related topics panel. You will find even more topics related to your original search that could become great video ideas. Explore page on YouTube. Another place to find trends in YouTube itself. Head to the YouTube homepage, then click Explore in the left navigation bar. This page will show you the top trending videos on YouTube by category: music, movies, gaming, news, sports, learning and beauty. It's not as detailed as Google Trends, but it's a great place to see what's happening with your noise. That's how you can find trending keyword on YouTube.